In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nest pages in Confluence using the page tree. Let's start by opening the Confluence space where your pages live. A space is basically the container for related content, so make sure you're in the one that holds the pages you want to organize. Once you're there, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. That's where you'll find the page tree, the expandable list that shows your pages and how they're structured. If you don't see it right away, look for a toggle or expand icon to reveal the full navigation. Next, locate the page you want to nest. It helps to take a moment and think about your ideal hierarchy. Which page should act as the main topic and which pages fit naturally beneath it. Having a quick mental map will make the dragging process straightforward and keep your content easy to browse later. Now, click and hold the page you want to move right inside the page tree. Drag it beneath the page you want to use as the parent. As you move your mouse, watch for visual cues. Confluence will show a line indicating where the page will land. To make it a child page, position it slightly to the right under the parent. That small indentation is important. Dropping it directly under the parent without that indent will place it at the same level instead of nesting it. When you see the right hand indent or highlight, release the mouse to drop the page. Confluence will move it instantly. If the page tree is long, you can pause over a collapsed parent to expand it before you drop, which makes it easier to get the exact placement you want. After the move, take a moment to confirm everything looks correct. You should see your page listed underneath the parent, indented to show it's now a child. If your tree takes a second to refresh, don't worry, that can be normal. You can also glance at the breadcrumb trail at the top of the page the next time you open it. It will reflect the new parent-child relationship. Once you're happy with the result, repeat the same drag and drop process for any other related pages you want to group together. Keeping similar content under a clear parent page makes your space easier to navigate and helps teammates find information faster. As you build out your structure, try to keep your hierarchy balanced. Deep nesting can make content harder to discover, while a tidy, shallow structure keeps everything clear and consistent. And that's it. You've successfully nested pages in Confluence using the page tree.